Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to buy Apple gift card online. Through Apple gift card, you will be able to purchase Apple products and services. To buy Apple gift card online, first open any web browser available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.apple.com/shop/gift-card. Then tap on the arrow. With that, you'll be taken to Apple's gift card section of the website. Now here you can see buy option. Tap on buy option. Then here you can see you can use Apple gift card to shop the App Store, Apple TV, Apple Music, iTunes and various other products. Scroll down. Now you can choose how to send the gift card, whether by email or mail. I am choosing on email. Now here you can choose a design for your gift card. Tap on any design that you want. Now here you can choose an amount. You can choose from the given amount, or you can also enter the amount by tapping on other amount box, then enter the amount you want. Now here you need to enter your delivery details. First enter the recipient names, then enter the recipient email address. If it is for you, then you can enter your own name and own email address. Then you can add sender's name, then enter the sender email address. With that, you can also add a personalized message. For that, tap on add. Then here you can add the message on the given box. After entering the message, tap on save. This is an optional choice. You can see that the gift card arrives within 1 hour. Now tap on add to bag. With that, the gift card will be added to the bag. With that, now here you can see your order. Tap on checkout option at top. Then you'll be taken to checkout page. Now here you need to continue by signing in with your Apple ID. You can enter your mobile phone number or email address that you have used to create your Apple ID. Then you need to enter the password, or you can also check out as guest. For that, tap on continue as guest. I am continuing on with this process as a guest. With that, now here you need to select your payment method. If you want to use your Apple account balance, then tap on sign in option at top. Then you can also use your credit or debit card or your PayPal. Items in my order is not eligible for PayPal, so it is not showing up. So I am going on with my credit or debit card. So tap on credit or debit card. With that, now here you need to enter your card information. First enter your debit or credit card number, then enter your expiration date of your credit card, then enter your CVV. You can also split the amount. To do that, tap on split payment with a second card. With that, now here you need to enter your billing address. First select your country or region, then enter your first name and last name on the given box. With that, enter your street address, zip code, city or state on the respective boxes. Then enter your contact information. First enter your email address, then enter your phone number. The phone number you enter cannot be changed after you place your order, so please make sure that it is correct. With that, click on the option of continue to review. With that, here you can review your order. After that, you can place the order for your gift card. This is how we can buy Apple gift card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.